Oh, great. Here we go again. Oh, no, 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 no. Ah!
Wait.
When you have to buy a contraption to put your dog in so he doesn't bite you when cutting his nails.
Kona. Oh shit.
Kona! Oh my god.
He's a real Mexican.
Can we get an a whoop?
I have to go to work. I'm really sorry. Please don't look at me like this. I love you so much.